Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to set up a Moneylion IRA account. So setting up a Moneylion IRA account allows you to save for retirement and potentially reduce your tax liabilities. So here's a step-by-step guide on how to do that. First thing you want to do is to log into your Moneylion account using your email address and your password. Next, you want to navigate to the retirement section by clicking on retirement tab. Next, you want to click on set up an IRA, and then you can select the IRA type from the options available. Next, you want to enter your IRA contribution information and then confirm the setup. And after that, all you got to do is wait for Moneylion to execute the IRA setup. And yeah, that's pretty much it on how to set up a Moneylion IRA account. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.